Where do your morning eggs come from? The Economic Research Service says they most likely come from a small family farm. Take a look at this chart it has put out. It shows that in 2020, most cotton, dairy, and specialty crops were produced at larger scale farms. Those are considered farms with annual gross farm income of $1 million or more. But check out small family farms. They produce the bulk of hay, poultry, and eggs. Additionally, the agency says more than a quarter of beef production happens on small family farms that generally have cow-calf operations. Another 42% were on large-scale farms, which were more likely to operate with a feedlot.